So nearly half of the problems I finished. So only 15 students are attending. Okay. So I can't repeat it. It will take time. Otherwise, okay. So they should go through this problem and then they should understand. So U8, okay. U8 is okay. So U8 is U5 plus U7 plus U9 plus 12.1. 1 by 4 U5 plus U7 U5 plus U7 plus U9 plus 12.1. Okay. So substitute the values of U5, U7, U9 and tell the final answer.
11.1.
11.1 is correct. This is a standard 5-point formula. So once you got the values of from now you have from U1 to U9. Okay, now we'll go to the first iteration. Okay. So first iteration. So here you should use only a standard 5-point formula. Okay, don't use a diagonal 5-point formula here. Okay, here. Okay, the first iteration, second iteration, you should use only standard 5-point formula. So we obtain to obtain, okay, to obtain all values by standard 5-point formula. Okay. So now U1 power 1. This one denotes the first iteration. So 1 by 4. So I don't have the diagram here. So U1, so you should use 0 plus 11 plus U2 plus U4. Okay. So 0 plus 11 plus U2 plus U4. So please check it. I'm writing the values of U2.
11.1.
11.1. Okay. So 0, that is 11. U2 is 11.1. 11.19. Okay. Sorry. So 11.1 plus U2 is 13.6. Check பண்ணிக்கங்க. U2 is 13.6.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And then U4 is 6.5. Okay, now if you simplify this, you'll get somebody is
7.8.
Okay, yeah, you can tell. Okay, 7.8. So now similarly, U2 power 1. So U2 power 1 is 1 by 4. Sorry. U2 is that is U1 plus 17 plus U3 plus U5. Okay. So otherwise, any one of them tell. So totally, how many students are here? 15 students. So for each one, for U2, somebody will tell the values, and U3 you can tell. So totally 9 students. Still, you have only 8 students. Please tell. You can start.
7.8 plus
7.8. Okay, plus
17 plus
17 plus
17.3
okay.
plus 12.5.
Okay, is correct. 12.5. Sorry. What is the final answer?
13.7.
13.7. Okay. So next, U3 power 1. So somebody will start.
U2 plus
Sorry, U2, U2 or U2 plus
19.7
19.7,
plus 21.9
21.9
plus U6.
plus 16.1.
Is that
Okay. U2 is what? U2 is 13.7. U2 is 13.6. Is it? I think here,
13.65, sir.
but you should use the latest value for U2. Okay, you don't use the previous iteration, previous rough values. Here, okay, you can. I want to tell that one. Okay, for U3. So for U3, so 19.7, 21.9. U6, you should use the rough values. For U2, just now we found the value 13.7. So 1 by 2, 1 by 4 into 13.7 plus 19.7 plus 21.9, 13.9 plus 16.1. So now you can tell the final answer.
17.9.
17.9. Okay. So similarly for U4 power 1, 1 by 4,
U1 plus
U1 plus
0 plus
0 plus
U5 plus U7.
U5 plus U7. Okay. For U5 and U7, you can use the previous value, but U1, you can use this iteration value. Okay.
7.8 plus
7.8. Okay, please wait. 7.8
plus
plus
2.5
plus 2.5.
12.5
12.5. Okay. Plus U7.
6.2.
Okay. What is the final answer? Do it.
6.6.
6.6. Okay. 6.6 is correct. And then U5 next. Who is ready to tell the answer? 1 by 4. U4 నుంచి U5. 1 by 4 into
U2 plus
U4.
okay, any one of you start.
U2 plus U4 plus
Okay, U2 plus U4 plus
U6 plus
U6 plus
U8.
okay. So remaining students, just check it. Okay, U2
13.7
13.7. U4 is the previous value
6.6
6.6.
16.1
16.1.
11.11 11.1
11.1. Okay. Okay. What is the final answer?
11.9.
11.8.
11.9 is a book answer. So somebody told 11.8. So whether which one is correct?
Sir, it is
Take
11.9.
7.
11.8
11.8 the correct.
Sir,
Actually,
11.875.
87. Okay. So if it is 11.87 means we can write 11.9. Okay. Okay. U6. So 1 by 4. Okay, you can start. Anyone?
(21 plus
21 plus
U3 plus
U3 plus,
U5 plus
okay,
U9.
U9. Okay. So 1 by 4, 21. U3 should use the latest value.
17.9.
Okay. 17.9 plus U5.
11.9.
Okay. U9.
13.7.
13.7. So add and divide by 4 and tell the final answer.
16.1.
Okay. 16.1 is, then U7.
0 plus
Okay. U4.
U4 plus U8.
U8.
8 plus 8.7.
Sorry, I can't hear you.
8.7
8.7
plus 0.
plus 0. So now 1 by 4, U4 value is 6.6 plus U8. You should use the previous iteration value. Please tell U8.
11.1.
11.1. Okay. Plus 8.7. So final answer
6.6.
6.6. Okay. Now U8 1 by 4.
12.1.
12.1. Okay.
U5 plus U9 plus U7.
U5 plus U7 plus U9. Okay. So 1 by 4, 12.1 plus
11.9.
U5 is 11.9,
6.6.
6.6,
13.7.
13.7. What is the final answer?
11.1.
11.1. Okay. And finally, U9. So 1 by 4. Okay. Some of you tell the answer. U9.
U8 plus
U8 plus
U6.
U6.
17
17. Okay.
plus 12.8.
4.8.
12.8, sir.
12.8. Okay. U8 at the U6, you should use what is U4, U8? 11.1. 11.1 plus U6 is 16.1 plus 17 plus 12.8. Okay, this is 12.8. Final answer
14.3.
14.2.
14.3 is the book answer. Please verify once again. Maybe 14.2526 or 25, then you can write 14.3. Okay, so now in the book they're done up to third iteration. So second iteration, third iteration. Okay, but I don't do now. Just I'm going to tell the answer only. So when you can stop. So for that question, suppose suppose if you are finding U1 to U9, all the values, all the 9 values, so maximum 3 iteration is enough. Okay, because the time is very important for this examination. So maximum I am telling 3 iteration. Okay, so but suppose if you forget the marks and the examination, okay, so when you can stop this iteration means, suppose these values should be repeat in the next, suppose in the second iteration, third iteration, you will get the same answer, you can stop in the third iteration. Suppose if you don't get the same values, you should go for the fourth iteration also, but here it is not possible in the examination. So that's why I told that if you are finding all the 9 values, so maximum 3 iteration is enough. Okay, maximum 3 iteration. So you should do little bit fast in the examination. Okay, so final answer, the third iteration, I'll give the final answer. You can note it and then you can verify later. 17.7.9. This is 13.6, 13.7, and then 17.9. That's 6.6. U5 is 11.9. U6 is 16.3. U7 is 6.6. U8 11.2. U9 is 14.3. So in the finally you should write U1, U2, U3. Don't write this iteration number. So U1, okay, U1 is 7.9. Similarly, you should write, okay, U9 is 14.3. The last step. Okay. So this here, somebody will do here like this. Okay, instead of working first iteration, second iteration, they will start from here for U1 value. First they will start U5. U5 is what? 12.5. So this is a rough value of U5. This is the first iteration. This is the second iteration, third iteration values for U5. Similarly for each one. But uh, I think it is not advisable to do in the examination like this. So just I want to tell this is which is mentioned in the book. Instead of working out so elaborately, we can write the values of u at each grid point uh, and work out the scheme easily. But okay, but if you do it like this only, you don't do the mistake. So that's why you will do the like the previous method. So don't follow this method. Okay, now the next problem is, it is mentioned here, solve the equation del square u equal to 0 for the following mesh with the boundary values as shown using Liebmann's iteration procedure. So here this is the boundary values are given. Okay, so okay, now here you can see, okay, okay, here it is this value is not given, but I don't know whether which will affect or not. We'll check it. So okay, so take the central horizontal and vertical lines as AB. Okay, suppose if you take the line, the line AB. So these table values are symmetrical about the line AB. You can check it. Okay, symmetrical about the line AB, that the values, and 1000. Okay, here also 1000. The symmetrical about this line. Okay, and also you can check it here, 500, 500, 1000, 1000, 500, 500. So symmetrical about the line AB. Similarly, check whether the values are symmetrical about the line CD. Okay, if you fix the line CD, so you can see the mirror image, 500, 500, 500, 500. And if similarly, 1000, 1000, 2000, 2000, 1000, 1000. So these table values are symmetrical about the horizontal line AB and also symmetrical about the vertical line CD. So from this we can easily say that the value about the values of U1 to U9. Suppose if you take the line uh, okay CD, if you take the line CD, so U1 equal to what? U3. U1 equal to U3. And similarly U7 equal to U9. U7 equal to U9. And then similarly U4 equal to U6. Okay, now about this line. Similarly about the line here you can write. Okay, about the line I think AB, yeah. Okay, about the line CD. About the line CD we found this one. About the line, sorry, yeah, about the line CD, U1 equal to U3, U4 equal to U6, U7 equal to U9. So this is about CD. About AB, you can say that U1 equal to U7, U1 equal to U7, U2 equal to U8, U2 equal to U8, and U3 equal to U9. Okay. Now from U1 equal to U3 and U1 equal to U7, we can, and U3 equal to U9. From these four, we can say that U1 equal to U3, but U1 is also same as what? U7, and U3 is same as U9. So all are equal. And the remaining you have what? Okay, U7, U9, U7, U9 also. Okay, I already used these four. I already used. Remaining you have U2 equal to U8, U2 equal to U8. Okay, and U4 equal to U6, and U5 is not equal to anyone. So out of these four, you can find only one. That is U1. Out of these two, it is enough to find one, U2. Out of these two, you can find only one. So here, so it is enough to find U1, U2, U4, U5. So it is mentioned here. So U1 equal to U3 equal to U7 equal to U9. Similarly, U2 equal to U8, U4 equal to U6, and U5 is not equal to any values. So now I'm going to start to find the rough values of U1, U2, U4, U5. Okay. So rough values, I'll start here. So try to, you also try to help to finish the problem quickly. Rough values of U. Okay. So now I'm going to start from U5. U5 equal to 1 by 4. So please tell 2000, 1000, 2000, 1000. Okay. So there are two 2000, there are two 1000. So 2000 plus 2000 plus 1000 plus 1000. divided by 4. So 6,000 by 4, 1,500. And U here I'm using standard 5-point formula, and then U1. For U1, I am going to use a diagonal 5-point formula: 0, 1,000, 2,000, U5. Okay, 1 by 4. For U1, please check it: 0, 1,000, 1,000, again 2,000 plus U5. U5 is 2,500. So this is 3,000 plus 1,500. So 4,500 divided by 4 equal to 1125. So here I am using diagonal 5-point formula, and then for U2, so what is U2? For U2, U1 plus 1,000 plus U3 plus U5. Okay, U1 plus 1,000 plus U3 plus U5. U1 plus 1,000 plus U3 plus U5. So 1 by 4. But we know that U1 equal to U3. Okay, we know that U1 equal to U3. So U1 is what? 1125 plus 1,000. U3 is also 1125 plus U5 is 1,500. So if you simplify, you'll get U2 equal to 1187.5. Here I'm using standard 5-point formula. U1, U2. Next, you need to find U1, U2, U4. Already we got U5. So U4 is, for U4 I am going to use not diagonals, standard 5-point formula. Okay, for U4, 2,000 plus U1 plus U5 plus U7. So 1 by 4. What is U? I think U1 equal to U7. U1 equal to U7. What is U1? 1125. 1125. What is U5? U5 is 1,500 plus U7 is again 1125. The final answer for U4 is 1437.5. Okay, now, so this is first iteration. Okay, but in the book they went up to the second iteration. So second iteration, or you can go up to third iteration. It is up to but here only you are doing only finding only 4 values. Only you are finding what? 4 values. So it is better to go minimum 3 iterations. Rough values, first iteration, second iteration, and then third iteration. In the previous problem we are finding 9 values, so that's why I told that maximum 3 iterations. I told that, but here also I am telling the same thing, third up to third iteration. But you can stop only when the values are repeated. You can stop. So I will tell the final answer for this problem, because you should repeat the same thing. So that's why I don't want to do it again. So U1 equal to 937.6 U2 equal to 1000.1 and U3 equal to, sorry, U1 equal to U3. So there is no need to find U3. U1, U2, U4, 1250.1 and then U5, 1125.1. Okay. So the next problem here, evaluate the function u of x comma y satisfying del square u equal to 0 at the lattice point given by the boundary values as follows. So evaluate this function. So you need to find u1, u2, e3, u4. The boundary values are given here. Okay. But it is here you can't see anything symmetrical lines. Okay. So it is you need to find all the four values. Here I am going to explain the two methods. Okay. I will tell the first method. Okay. First I am going to write. I am going to find u1. Okay, u1. So what is u1 using standard 5-point formula? Please tell. I will write here. u1 equal to 1 by 4, 2000 plus 1000, 3000. Okay, I will write 2000 plus 1000 plus u2 plus u3. Okay, it is better to write in the next page. u1 equal to 1 by 4 into 2000 plus 1000 plus u2 plus u3. Okay, now from this you can simplify. 4u1 equal to 3000 plus u2 plus u3, or 4u1 minus u2 minus u3 equal to 3000. You call this is equation 1. Similarly, u2 1 by 4, again use the standard 5-point formula. You can get u1 plus 1000 plus 500 plus u4. So please verify in the diagram also. u1 plus 1000 plus 500 plus u4. So for u2 equal to u1 plus u4 plus 1500. So from this u1 minus 4u2 plus u4 equal to 1500. This is 2. Okay, now similarly u3 is 1 by 4 2000 plus u1 plus u4 plus 500. Okay, so for u3 equal to 2500 plus u1 plus u4. This is method 1. So now u1 minus 4u3 u1 minus 4u3 plus u4 equal to minus 2500. So u1 minus 4u3 plus u4. Okay, this is equation number 3. So
Sir,
yeah, please tell.
sir, in equation 2 also it is minus 1500.
Equation 2 is okay. Okay, thank you. So minus 1500. Yes, correct. Okay. And then u4. Okay, sorry. u4 equal to 1 by 4. U3 plus u2. u3 plus u2 plus 0 plus 0. So 4 u4 equal to u2 plus u3 or u2 plus u3 minus 4 u4 equal to 0. So now you have 4 equations and 4 unknowns. Okay, so you can solve, okay, to find the values of u1, u2, u3, e4. Okay, so I think I leave it to you to find the values of u1, u2, u3, e4. First, from these 1 and 2, you can eliminate u1. 1 and 2, you can eliminate u1. Similarly, 2 and 3, you can eliminate u1. Okay, so that is up to you. Okay, because you have okay, you can try, and then at least I think we have time. Still, we have what? Only I think nearly 3 o'clock. Okay, try. We will discuss again if you this method. Okay, but you should do it. Okay, otherwise I will do it in the classroom tomorrow, and then I will also explain method 2. Method 2 is that is new to you. You already the ordinary method. So for this, I am going to assume any one of the u values, uh, because if you know that even if you apply diagonal 5-point formula for u1, you know this value and this value and this value, but I don't know this value. Okay, for standard 5-point formula, you don't know 2 values. If you apply diagonal 5-point formula for any of u1, u2, u3, u4, for suppose for u4, if you apply, you know these 2 values. I know that, and then okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. I know 3 values, but I don't know the 1 value. So that's why I'm going to assume any one of u1, that is either u1 or u2, u3, u4. For example, u4 value, if I assume, so it should be, your u4 value should be here what? 0, here 1000. So in between 0 to 1000, and also if you see in this line, it is between 0 to 2000. You should properly choose, otherwise the number of iteration will be, it will increasing. So tomorrow I will tell how to choose u4. Not only u4, you can even, instead of assuming u4, you can assume u2 also, or u3 or u1, any one of u1 ui values from I equal to 1 to 4. Okay, first you will try method 1 and get the values of u1, u2, u3, u4, and tell the values tomorrow. Okay, if you have any doubts, you can ask to me. Otherwise, we'll meet again tomorrow morning, first hour. Okay, thank you.